Ɛko baako a Ghana fo nyina ya kan bom a ye ko ya efa yensuwa ene enkwaye ho eye galamsey ɛko baako a Ghana fo nyina ya kan bom a ye ko ya efa yensuwa ene enkwaye ho eye galamsey ɛko abadwuma eko baako a ono na ban de tumi ahye ne nsa ya ono no hwe efamagudu ahodo a yetuo eye Minerals Commission enso saa ko nyina mu no sobo a ebinom ede bo Minerals Commission ene se ahoɔden a wo mu hia so mo de be ko galamsey anasa illegal mining ni saa ahoɔden no ɛwɔ fam ene time with Minerals Commission yensa aka the CEO Ura Martin Kwaku Ayisi yene no eba betwetwe enkomo na yahwe ahoɔden a wo mo wo saa kwenkura ye ko de atia illegal mining ni midin the Chief Jerry Forson obetimi afrɛ me CJ Zaisi demo akwaba
CJ me tunka che
Mr. Hopa
me so me show
ba so say hodo ode
go su kakra
de nyame ase ye hye nkomo na se no for obi a onte mandate amamra no e de ahye monsa Act 1993 Act 450 no adwuma potin ben na Minerals Commission e hye monsa
CJ me da se me de pa for some time na me ntimi mba akwantu adwuma ni ntwe me de pa se ne aye possible so she kasa kan kasa bibia enye twie poto nti poto mu kasa no regulator yesi regulator ni che se eba mining asema ya sadie so bibia beko pepepe nti obi biara se company o se individual o pe krata akoye mining juma se inhwehwemu beka so English kasa say prospecting and now person tu ankasa mining na ide odi bibia be fa ha wow
okay
your district office your satellite in your almost all the regions go to BB office enti no eno anu say person your application bibi opebia say abo say gold or diamond bauxite or the application be ba
okay
e be check bibia okay ne dia command minister na assign am
okay
enti enu na e juma opa every day yeah because application there by every day say kwa call online in 24 hours and I do 10 p.m. nyan ko for the tomb. That's number 1.
Okay.
Number 2, ye ma krata ni wie na ukoji the ekeka ho a EPA the ni the other ones ni nya said yes ye be hwe se odi mra no so otu no omna kwan so a ana hwehwemu a oye no unsen so unye he enti no ye fra bibi monitoring enti ne ye fra ye call for no inspectors
okay
or call for inspection
who inspectors are call field inspection
there were a whole division I friend no inspector division headed by the chief inspector of mines omo no moye inspection omo no monitoring no e say monitor to ensure say hey anye bia adwuma na oye no famra kwan so bibia call your own sense o di rules no follows health and safety adwuma no wow
okay
primarily so anyama afi so aban policy or mining no minister call cabinet na omo agree omo the brain yen implement it
okay
until we implement government policy we enforce the terms of the agreement now our license na the bema no
okay
and yes and receive process application and then once in a while from time to time directive back from Abaya and DNA BBA
okay but on the issue of licensing no ayana amanfo adwen almost say it's a walk in the park nipa ne ba ya na within some few days na when your license no atias in room na ofiase na utu asase no what are the processes of acquiring such licensing
in the first place any BBA near my license
okay
for example your man license ko yejuma wo nsuo mu yenyesa
mo man license
se kona ko yejuma wo nsuo mu
so nti e ba na say na bi no
galamsey
okay
wow galamsey kona ko ye obi omo ye ejuma wo nsuo mu nya no galamsey ye man license wo nsuo mu wow ena with your man license I ben so your buffer zone wow ena baby okra enye nsuo na yemfa ne se enye emben so po a na ye hwe omo kasa bi omo si topography be kasa
so no se ne tie
o poposo nti yemfa ne se nsuo to too much na settlements no nkronkro no asa na bibi beba ana ebia edaho ba ebia eye Ramsar site nya dia betimi aye ana eben krododo eben krono too much
okay
nti we blast na dede beba gise ebia krono form penise obeye resettlement wa enu say no wa penise okay se nipa 20,000 eti ho na obe move o ma ko baby o man kasa mo pe obe si adan bibia ansa na ya sha ase enu di say ni committee kan chenye se intimika de bia se the fact say a hot da ho no ana free in our system free in the sense say obe check here no be need license on no che say oh say the okay now the two money there am there be and a small scale there no the officer your district officer no e so your inspection
okay
that's all inspection well into omunye adwuma won kwa ho ni sane mo nya nya ma license nya garam say omo family kwa so
okay it is okay so ka say omo ya adwuma kwa ho ni na omo family kwa so a waka say there's a whole division of inspectorate inspectors are one more a year adwuma no. Can we then conclude say and maybe that division is not really up to tax
there be so me catch you so bibia 100% perfect and I'm down
okay
but won't me use you and to judge because sebio obi ko wi ade sisi a na mo china either say mo di no call police station and na mo be mo so ni mo di police beba mo tumi mbono mo bu na assault so yeah no say na obi beka say this how the governance architecture works. I don't know say what church mo twi mo a yemfa no say wow your district officer say konongo say takwa say boga say o tap ni say na kan say what is say nkofo bi ye mining wa ha won say yenya information from so many sources journalists say mo ohini bi afre assembly man and obi afọ the pictures amami na asoma say ko ha officer no without even going there no onim say galamsey bisamsa adentia ono na ye inspection no
into onim ekoso
onim say o ha nyina okoye inspection wa obi the application to mo nti yemfa ne say Adom say onim say this whole side okobe the last 2-3 years obi amfa application to ma wako this side nti o kacha so obi mu wa omo ye bibi o onim say straight away no emfa mra kwa so
yeah
nti okoho a there are two things okono ko situation and one so be file report sometimes or engage you so share situation answer policeman ko okono ko ya arrest say abo assume sisi na osi o ko fa police aba policeman ko arrest ya won nipa be 400 agada now your policeman 2 pe how do you face such an arrest one sure na gidigidi aba until you have to go for reinforcement and say you be forget kra atata nipa na badon na bibisa until sometimes mo call they go and see the situation now they engage them look at it normally report about so anye bia ha no said the etin ye betimi formalize am ye betimi am krata until ni aka say look normally report about so look the alcohol hu ya no yenye mo ti aka chom say omo njai na ebebo omo but baby o ha okwa obeka chom say ben so dodo nti enya ade say emo pene
yeah
ana okwa otumi hu nipa no na akọ bo district assembly amane nti officer no ye ma assembly district assembly ye letter the district chief executive and municipal chief executive say o me call aha ene me hu say nipa be 20 and 30 omo tutu ha ya ma license illegal nti ko na ko pamo mo ho no yedwuma andi nti assembly no na say take action no ma frɛ police for no no more clamping on down.
Okay.
Sometimes you call police station direct near me. So recently, as a paper BD bar, Museo pylons we were go area or and go to a see outside be now. And show you a tough man doing so beba. Many report na straight away on our officer and call report ma police for ni assembly for in alcohol the following day.
Yeah.
They went in omukwana nkofo ni ho, but they condone of the area and take the necessary steps. Then assembly take the necessary steps to reclaim. Intino the yehu bibia en family kwaso ni report it. Ama the appropriate authorities, because me officer no say nyo no na so swimming na ko yin nkofo no. That is not his job. He's not trained for that. Wow, baby I am my license near Machiano. Yes, and no bisamia I can answer that. Say yes. Ebia officer na nye ni juma ya na near Machia kakra. That will take responsibility. Wow. As a wako chi obi di number police station. Yet ni ba na nipa no wa honde within minutes near Bono. Na you didn't cause with the see wanya ni baby call, and then postmortem show say he was attacked and beaten. The police will have to take responsibility because that's what happened there.
Yes.
So until we take responsibility for more license, we monitor them.
Okay, but still on the issue of licenses, I know there are types of licenses. Illegality, you would say, you being the head of regulatory body.
Of course, Bodra Pramona and Kobrani Brima illegal. In so now, ma ibufonia bagana. That's illegal operations. And here one, Omamuko in so that's number one. Ebunsu Sorana Omura Forest, because Yembani mining or forest. Some of the mining operations that take place in maybe across Second World War, Ghana Bauxite, Forest Reserve, Chirano, Forest Reserve, part of it, New Montachim, Obi Antienka, they follow all the rules. Until Mamura Forest illegally, no, and no sukaho. Omamura in so no sukaho. Ebi on senye in so and your forest, but wako pie baby or ye juma or nikrata, and you see a galamsey.
Okay.
So the illegalities are mainly from these areas. Those who enter the forest without appropriate approvals, permits, authorizations. Oma sebi omu ni krata na baby a keke no mu yejuma. Wow. Including baby under normal circumstances and man license. And our munso oma rain soon. Our mu yejuma. Wow. To forum.
Yeah.
All those people. Ninya illegal.
Okay. Okay. All right. For Ubia, my last one on license, so be per license, briefly, process I say Nipakrono FM and Sana when your license at the that would be my last question. Our license, so then we move to other.
The small scale, say on a problem, no.
Yeah.
You were 4 main areas. Your baby, I have here block out area.
Okay.
Baby, a Minas Commission are blocking here too for small scale phone calls.
Yes.
Into Upa, obet me be search and I shame. I check is a hoda na na what the requirements are. Small scale here work program. Ni there be and one say you are an adult. Obey ye maps. Bibia now they are two. We have to have fika crazy officer no who pay or inspection amount. And another group maybe a small scale for Nankasa. On Nankasa did in the map ba. So makum baby moon checking mommy.
Okay.
Or checking the down near Yaman. And now baby a last scale for now J mama. So yeah, if you I have good to have by a penukesi pa by a good for small scale into normally report na my near blocking there so hanya blocking mumbra the bemamo. Wow. These are the areas I am. And now be a one year juma near canceling license last scale near the small scale for no. That is it.
Okay.
And now yeah, to say because of the digitization process, you know. Acha 2 weeks or less will lodge application. I said to me process amount. First to me take it by 1 year.
I see.
Yeah.
But you see
would there be a small scale for no? Wow.
Okay.
Maybe I call you.
Again, I'm on call. What has changed?
Oh, now say, I don't know, Kolibu and now any polyclinic. I don't know, say, Kwaku doctor, out to me saline the whole day. Say, be a cough and that means I be near Mamu fine. What has changed is the online system. That's the first, you know. You find say, Uti baby to say, be a in Swahim and now bones and now babies and
yeah.
This say, Oko pe car, pe da, ko district office. Ewo takwa. And now free be Bokua. It's all called Faka. You know, Kopi or Boga office. Wow. From Boku to Boga and now Navrongo to Boga office. Okwa officer no kra obedu abiani apon and officer no kra call field. Then so by another time. You know, odi okohunu po a afi na oni ko trans ko ye we obe church on yemamo and then obe call field obe ma oda obe samba o ya na obe ye ni report na wire EMS wow and that be Monday o ye EMS e be 3-4 days and sana be do Accra ye be review process na be 2-3 weeks call a whole lot but with the online system 24 hours you know obi betime application even 10 p.m. or internet betime application on mobile phone you for application on mobile phone so access to internet
ultimate application on mobile phone
so you have access to internet or credit and now I log it in and then you submit it that's all you can pay by Momo you don't need to come to the office
okay
the whole call from the district officer and so oh yeah, I saw provide you details. Until you can sit in your washroom in Boku and do the application online because mobile phone you are connected into an internet. And I say you do it. Now I'll provide you details. So now on your call from the district officer and I say Shiano for inspection. And I'm a mom warning, not later than 3 days.
Okay.
Onyahu application open, call the person on share or site or nakoye yemfa say inspection into lodge application now by Wednesday officer no e be okwa the following day because why na adwen say wanya some numbers be nti oba no atu ni car pa no wa share no field ho no ni na inspection bibia
okay
enye obeka say no we dey ntumi nye wow
okay
nti oya officer no so titi no by 5 na oba ni fie see omo so mo internet then one say or laptop or desktop into a phone out in the laptop if he's hooked into the internet. It's that day na
maybe a bit me I could through.
I bet me show the report that day na
all right
until 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. me home.
I see.
Yes. Me phone by 9 p.m. every day. Sometimes I'm matching me sorry we go on application with them report on my file. The officer will send even a WhatsApp message to my WhatsApp. They are all connected to us. Boss, my lovely 3-4 applications. To that of small scale, we just go in it. Or we be in the system, no. Until we can cry that of small scale in laptop. No, I review. The following day, I recommendation call. Until will be something one of our biggest success story. Because you see, the delay in the licensing process is one of the drivers of Galamsey.
I see.
Yes, because unim. Now, mine is a bit my catch. Oh, why lucky said me the application too. Why lucky? My wasting me time. Would the Tio Mukasa no? Manya butre me pese mini obianya government benya problem in my application. 6 months, 1 year until kai. Hey, Ubona news will call around. The way I in Kofokase hospital will call.
Yeah.
6 hours. Sometimes we no pa evening and some show and now quite you know that kind of thing. It was so frustrating. Until news call around and the miners they are very organized. The non so can say oh how
you know it's strange sir.
You know now when people were saying so yes stopping licensing.
Honanka meba no say people have called for.
No, I've taken my time to explain. CJ yeah, announcements is here so he has stopped processing of small scale license. Really? Yes, because I said when we can't be a young comfort here, who can so maybe move through, but I can understand that's the nature of the job. CJ. So my sister's baby are 4.
Yes.
But who are show pass serious top notch. Until the other 3 no or be a so if you men go warranty no munya show. What am I trying to say? Some people don't want trouble. Also me pese because you crata na me small scale mining. I will run kwaso. Now I'm being told say mean to me yet. And now yajai. And now him or the assassin no to her before I realize it will be baby di. Omotem.
Yeah, baby the assassin.
Baby the assassin.
Yeah.
And you know who decided say oh my license be man any they would rather go and do it illegal. This a bo Ghana assassin. I mean, why will you do that? What is important is that we have to prevent them from going to the water body or evict them.
Now, what the conversation on how many licenses are buying one more release?
You know, my politics.
Yeah.
The illegal mining thing has nothing to do with the licensing process.
Okay.
The number of licenses are here. Let me put it this way. The illegal mining issue has nothing to do with the number of licenses I am. It has everything to do with one man license.
Okay.
And now let me repeat. Yeah, more beyond license so Uncle Ijuma Opera and Cobra. Because Ghana Mrano, so person using sue for mining, which is the normal thing. Either so 2 ball and now if you want to get diversion, this is called water resources.
Yeah.
Wow. So my argument is that one man license now, they will go and do it illegally. Wow. And you are making cases and say there are several thousands or more yet, which has nothing to do with the Ayahua Yenya Buifuno into called Takwa small scales in India underground. Said the 2 offices here and almost as your Muyajuma. Normally, Abubona surface for crashing. They don't wash into the water body like the way we see it. Okobe be a minister free in the region, Savannah, Tinga, Dakupe, Onya, a same baby underground. Wow. So why do you want to stop those people from working? I don't know my Takwa 4 over. There's one site, Okwa, and yes more Takwa community mining, and an RMV site. All these areas, there are several thousand. In fact, there's one particular company. There are 5,000 people working in that company. 5,000, and they say 500. These are areas I'm waiting to verify, and they go underground. Same I'm and go for so Titino Smosky and use heavy equipment, you use a show was anyway, so then things have changed, times have changed. Underground. How else can you go underground? It's a sinking shaft. Well, until young fan to baby it's like you see and dissolve Black Star. Is that the cause of the problem? If the coach is not good, fire him. It's on the players are indisciplined, replace them and get the ones who are hungry to play.
In this case, where is the blame?
In this case, what I'm trying to say is that me, having done this work for 22.5 years,
yes,
I am telling the good people of this country that if you don't issue the licenses, the reverse may occur. The illegality will become worse.
Ura Martin, Kwaku Ayisi, CEO, Minerals Commission. Time with Minerals Commission, and a person so they abroad. And Komono, they call how prepared Ahumbuaben and a Minerals Commission say ye kundietia galamse. In our next episode, the San Komono, they bro, within the Chief Jerry Forsen, Macau.